Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale diecast model of Suzuki Jimny. It's made by a manufacturer called LCD Models. They make really awesome diecast models, and let's get started. This is the box. It's a Suzuki licensed product, made in China. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. This comes with a nice instruction on what are the features of the car, what are the things it can do. For example, the door can open, the fuel tank can open, the trunk can open, engine cover, and then the front wheels turn and the steering turns as well. So it looks like a very well detailed model, and they have given a crowbar to open the doors and the other opening parts. So let's keep this aside, and yeah, here are the accessories provided. There's a silica gel packet to keep the moisture away, and then we have the tools for opening the different parts of the car. Let's see what all things are there. So, oops. So there is a nice screwdriver. I think it's for unboxing the model, and then there's a nice Suzuki branded crowbar. Looks awesome. It has the hook kind of thing, or maybe just a flat head, so that you can open the car. I like the Suzuki logo part. Looks very nice and fancy. Alright, let's go ahead and start the unboxing of the box. So here you go. That's the model. Let's take it out. Let's quickly unwrap this cover. It's kind of a protective cover that is provided by the seller. Looks good. And there you go, there's the model. Wow, lovely green shade. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior details. We'll then move on to the interior part. So let's take a look with the front of the car. I'll use this beautiful Suzuki door opener tool to point things out. Let's quickly take a look at the headlamps. Wow, beautifully detailed. Looks like projector lights. You can see the radiator grill. Yeah, the grill is perforated. If you see, you can see the inside of the engine. The lower grill is also very well designed. There's a beautiful grill there, a real grill, and not just a plastic piece. I mean, it's perforated, so you can see the inside of this air vent. Yeah, and probably that's the radiator inside the engine. So yeah, fog lamps look great. Very sharp design. The logo is a proper chrome logo. Looks great. Alright, let's take a look at the side of the model, starting with the wheel. Alloys look great. Of course, they do spin and they do turn as well. They're steerable. On the side you have the side indicators over here, and let's move it a little backward. And yeah, there's a beautiful fancy feature. You have working mirrors. Yeah, so the mirrors do fold and open, they fold and they open. And then you have a beautiful chrome lining here outside the mirror. Looks very sharp, very nice, detailed. Let's keep that open. And then you have the gas cap, the fuel filler place, so that opens as well. Wow, beautiful design, very well detailed model. LCD has done a great job on this. Moving on to the rear side, the rear will spin as well, great. And then let's take a look at the rear side. So moving to the rear side, we do have the design. I mean, the spare wheel is here on the door, so the door does open. We have beautiful tail lamps, Jimny Sierra badging over here, and the wheel is not covered. It's like just an open wheel that's stuck to the rear door, the trunk door, and that does open. So let's open and see inside a little bit. Great. Well, if you see here, here's the rear defogger. They're real lines and not kind of like, they're not shaded, they're like actually real lines printed over there. You have the seat belts for the rear seat. You have the rear space for storage, and then the seats do fold. Very fancy feature. The seats do fold. You have a space for storage, not very deep, slightly deep, but then there's a good amount of storage space here, and the seats do fold. So let me just quickly bring up the seats if I can. All right, they're back up. So yeah, looks great. And let's quickly open the mirror for this side. Sorry, the door mirror. Yeah, outside rear view mirror. And I really don't know, do let me know in the comments. I see there's a kind of a camera setup here. It looks like a camera on the outside rear view mirror. There is nothing here on the other side. The passenger side does not have any camera setup here, but the driver side does have a kind of a camera setup here. So very nice feature, very attention to detail, just like on the real model. Now let's open the door and take a look inside. There you go, the door opens, and let me quickly zoom in the camera. Wow, extremely detailed model. If you see, you have the speedometer, you have something on display in the center console. You can see the audio unit inside, and of course you see the Suzuki logo on the steering wheel with chrome accents. And then the door pad has the various chrome linings, the door handle, everything is well lined, well detailed. All right, let's now move on to the other side and take a look at the passenger side. So let me try to open the door from here as I did before. Okay, that was easy. All right, now let me try to zoom in the camera. All right, there you go. You see the center console, the AC controls, the parking light, very well detailed, Lots of chrome outlining there and all the knobs and everything. And does the seat move? Oh yes, this is a very nice feature of a lot of these LCD models. So you see the seat actually moves, so just like in the real car, your seat does move back and front. Very nice feature. I'm sure the driver side would move as well. Let's quickly take a look. Yes, the driver side moves as well. So the seat moves back and forth. The backrest does move, it can be reclined back and forth. Extremely well attention to detail. And then you have carpeting on the car. Very nice seat pattern as well. And if you could see the seat belts and the brake lever here, the handbrake, the cubby holes for storage, and it's of course a manual model. Let's zoom out. All right, and then let me close the doors, and you have the antenna here on the top. Very fancy looking. Let's take a look under the car. Just quickly switch around, and there you go. So yeah, you have the branding by the model company, 1:18 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, made in China labeling. They don't, oh yeah, they have mentioned here as LCD models, which is the company. The underneath is so well detailed, it's very impressive, just like the real model. And I'll show you a more fancy feature. The transmission shaft does work, so if you move the wheels, you see it moves here. Very well detailed, extremely impressive, very well detailed. And let's check out, it does have suspension as well, front and rear suspension. Okay, let's take a look at the engine details now. So this is the 4th generation Suzuki Jimny Sierra. It's powered by a 4-cylinder 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. It produces about, I think, 100.5 horsepower. So yeah, engine looks very well detailed. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, it got all the components very well laid out, very well color coded. You see the battery here, looks very sharp, very well designed. And under the hood you see a little bit of insulation here, this black one. So yeah, you see the oil level checker. And yeah, it's a very well detailed engine bay. Alright, I just noticed there was kind of a sensor here. This one looks like some sort of those rain sensors or automatic headlight, automatic wipers. I think those are the sensors out there. So that's all about the Suzuki Jimny Sierra. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, please. Like I said, there will be a lot of videos and pictures after this, so please hang on till the end and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.